morning! Today we're going to Salzburg. We packed up all our stuff already. We're gonna do some amazing stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna stay in the flat of my brother, which is near a lake, and we're super excited. We have a lot of things planned out, like hiking, meeting friends, enjoying good food, so let's go.
Absolutely, so enjoy this video and we'll see you in the car. Let's go! So ladies and gentlemen, we're currently on our first break in Forsdorf. We stopped by a McDonald store and got some McDonald's food for breakfast. Hey!
Woo. So we got some fries, obviously. We always get like regular and curly, and then we always share a burger. Obviously the bland version of it, because we are vegetarians.
Bam!
This is the boy, but usually we try not to go to McDonald's too often, so.
But today it's fine.
Cheers.
Is it any different? The same, but good? Nice. And show the new sauce we got. Italian style dip.
So we're just gonna make the setup and then enjoy our food.
So this is the rest of our food. We're gonna take that for the ride. And we also have one special surprise here. It's cheesecake! Yummy! Have you ever eaten cheesecake at McDonald's? See you on the road.
Yeah, I'll see you.
Back on the road again. Currently there's a lot of traffic. They already built this like rescue alley. We don't know what is it all about. You know, we're making a few meters, so it's fine.
It's not too bad, yeah.
And we also have an amazing view over there. You see it? You see the mountain? It looks pretty small, but right there, sorry. It looks pretty small, but actually it's huge. Waze says the accident is right here, but right here is actually nothing. So I think we're good. Currently, Mina is preparing some limes so we can take them to the Moon Lake and enjoy some Coronas.
This is a must-have after being in Mexico. Like Mexican people have like beer, ice and lime on the beach with them.
That's what we learned in Mexico. So, ladies and gentlemen, we've been to Spar, to Eurospar, and we bought a lot of stuff. We're gonna make a snack for the lake for later, a little salad. We're also gonna add some mozzarella cheese, already with some lentils, of course some tomatoes, a little bit of cucumbers also inside. We already popped the first Corona, and we're ready to have a wonderful day. Let's go. Und jetzt nochmal Transition. Oh, jetzt. Now look at this view. Damn, that's a big rock. Right now we're driving into Schwarzindien, which means something like Black India, which is pretty funny actually. As you can see, I'm pretty out of breath because we've been going up and down all the time.
We live in a city with only flat streets.
Yeah, so we're not used to it, but I think it's gonna be worth it. We're gonna see you in Schwarzindien. We just came down from there, so we're gonna have to go up again. But for now, we're just enjoying this view. This is the first time seeing the lake for me. Amazing. Look, there are even ships. Nice, huh?
Excited.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we're currently on our way back home. We've been at the lake for like
4 hours.
4 hours or something. It was amazing. I don't know if you can hear the cows like eating the grass. It's just amazing with the sun setting and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm kind of out of breath right now because we've been, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but we've been going up this hill and we have a lot of way in front of us. But yeah, that's the way home.